This young man decided to venture deep into the wilderness to build a cozy log cabin, using only fallen tree trunks and jungle survival techniques. For 30 days, he carefully selected each piece of wood, processed and arranged them to create a sturdy shelter, while also ensuring insulation against cold rain and snow. Everything was built entirely by hand, from the foundations to the heavy logs being lifted and lowered with skillful technique. Despite his young age, he has accumulated a wealth of experience, knowing how to utilize leverage, maintain balance, and place each log in the right position without the need for modern machinery. Each movement is slow but steady, demonstrating patience and an understanding of working with nature rather than against it. He erected long wooden beams as roof rafters, placing them at an angle to allow rainwater and snow to slide off easily. Each beam was securely fastened with handcrafted knots and grooves, ensuring the entire structure remained stable without the need for metal nails.